Did you know? Now we have a new Canva feature. We can generate shapes. Yes, we see here is a guitar. Here we have a computer, a table, or a saxophone. How to do that? Let's go to the left side menu, click Elements, and let's go to the Shapes. Elements, Shapes, and here we see the new button, Generate Shapes. So we can enter what we want. For example, I'm entering that and click Generate. That's great. We can click on the new shape. We can go to colors and we can change it. Let's come back to the elements and let's try for banana. And I'm choosing generate again. And here you go. We have a banana. We can choose any one we want. And here, that's great. So I hope you like this new Canva feature and see you next time.